YouTube? This is Chris. I got to put a new alternator on the Woodchipper here. Damn, YouTube, I think that boat is like 20 miles long. Hey YouTube, the alternator went out on the Woodchipper. So I called around to O'Reilly's, I called Advance, called these companies, Parts House, and they wanted $694 to replace this alternator. But I got on eBay and I got on Amazon and I picked it up for $111. So that tells you the markup is, man, it's crazy. So if you're in business and you want to save money, you need to check around on parts and manufacturers and stuff like that. And you can get an aftermarket, or you can get one, you know, the same thing, but you're gonna pay out the wazoo. And it's just, they all buy it from the same people. So it's crazy how the prices are so jacked up. So it's either $694 or $111. You know, and I called Napa and I called O'Reilly's and I called Advance, and they was all the same. But when I got on Amazon, and I had this the very next day, so ordered it and bam, I'm still in business. They said this would be 3 to 5 days out.